Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view all your purchased games on your PlayStation 4 account. So I'm logged in. What I want to do is scroll all the way over to where it says Library right here and select this. Then on the left side of the screen, we can see all these different options. If we are under All, we will only see the games that are currently installed on our PlayStation 4 hard drive. What we want to do is scroll all the way down to where it says Purchase. And there's a number by purchase. It says 482 for me. That's an indication that I have 482 applications or games on my PlayStation. Then if we go to PlayStation Plus, you can see the PlayStation Plus games of the month that I've downloaded or added to my account. So I have 286 of those. And typically you get like 2 or 3 a month. So I've had PlayStation Plus for at least 10 years. Now, if I go back to the purchase section, this is all the games I've ever bought on my PlayStation 4. So even Alan Wake is on there, Air Mech Arena. Now we have the option to go to name A to Z to sort it. Otherwise we can go to purchase date. Most of the times I just leave this to purchase date. So I just see the recently added or downloaded games or bought games on my account. And then I can go to them and select them and then start downloading them back to my PlayStation 4. And they'll go from the purchase section all the way to the all section right here. Now you can also go to search and you can search the entire library on your PlayStation 4, and this will make it a lot easier finding your game that you want to go ahead and download if you have a lot of games like I do. So I just typed in Witch, and here's Witcher 3, the Wild Hunt Complete Edition. I can download to my PlayStation 4 now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.